Nexeya is a global company that services a number of different industries. We have 5 different business lines. Test and Integration Solutions, which is the main focus of this business unit here, which does test equipment, telemetry, data acquisition, data transmission, as well as simulation and validation. We have a business line that does mission management systems, which is all the data collection on ships or on aircraft that take care of threats and managing resources. We have a line of power products, so power supplies, power correctors, things like that, as well as a line that does space and satellites. And our final business line is engineering services that does engineering, re-engineering, and obsolescence management.
Nexeya offers a variety of career opportunities similar to what you'd find in a large company, but with a small company environment as a benefit. We have careers in sales, marketing, engineering, test and application support, finance, operations, which includes assembly, test services, logistics, and quality. If you work hard at Nexeya, there's a great opportunity for increased responsibility and growth. Because of the size and the structure of the company, overachievers tend to stand out very quickly at Nexeya and are rewarded.
We do very high quality product, and this as well as is very professional, but we also try to keep it very fun for everybody. We always work because we are not a very big company, so every department interacts with each other. I make sure I bridge the test department with production, with quality department. I bridge everything together, do lunch together sometimes. We have barbecues. It's a fun environment. Also, it's a very professional when it needs to be.